SummerQuest families, here's a quick tutorial video to share with you the changes that are in the registration process for SummerQuest 2017. This is very similar to what you've experienced before, but we tried to streamline the process based on the feedback that we received from the parents and the families last year, and so hopefully you'll find this to be exactly what you were looking for. When you arrive at our page, which is www.mvnu.edu/SummerQuest, this is the page you'll land on. And you'll notice that on April 17th at 10 a.m. a new link will appear, and it'll appear over here on the side for registration. When you click it, you'll see that, here's the form here, the link. You'll see this form arrive, and it does have important information here, but what you'll do is we have abbreviated this form, and there's just a little bit of information we need from you about your student, about t-shirt size, about grade level, gender, etc., and also a parent name and email, and so parent guardian name. And so what we'll do is we'll have you fill this out, but when you choose what grade level your child just completed, for example, I'll choose grade 5, if you'll notice that everything that does not apply to your child is grayed out in grayscale, but everything that does apply is in black, and you're able to choose it. So what you'll do is you'll choose which quest that you're interested in, and it could be one or more than one, and then you'll come back and hit submit. Now, that will take you to the payment page. However, when this page when you hit submit on this page, that is what gives your child the timestamp, and that is what it decides what order they are on the list or the waiting list or getting into a quest. So once this page is done, that's when the timestamp occurs, and then you can relax a little bit in order to get the payment screen completed. However, we do want to point out this year that you can complete this page more than one time for more than one child, and then pay for everyone at the same time on one payment screen. So each time that submit button is hit and clicked, a new window will open and will take you to the Acceptiva page that looks like this. And so this is what you'll be taken to, and you'll be able to enter in the payment information. If you want to do more than one child with the registrations and then pay for everybody at the same time, what you'll need to do is open up another browser window, go back to the SummerQuest page, mvnu.edu/SummerQuest, fill that out again for the next child, and even go back and do it again for a third child or fourth child if you need to, but then you can put everybody on this one payment screen here. So make sure one of these windows stays open waiting for you, and then you can register as many children as you need to, and they will each get their timestamps in the abbreviated form so that you don't have to worry about how fast you're going and getting everything done. Once everybody is registered, come back to one of these pages, and then you can add up all the quests that you're registering for. So for example, if you do two children for 2 quests each, that would be 4 one-week quests. So you can choose 4, calculate total, and it gives you the total. If you scroll back up, it gives you the total that you've just registered for. You just add up however many your children are involved in and put that number in here. Of course, then you'll scroll down, putting in the parent information, not the payer information, but the parent information. If those two things are separate, we still need the parent information here. If they're the same, then that's fine. Emergency contact information, and then the medical release information. If you're paying for more than one child at a time on this form, notice here you can fill out this information for one child, then you can click the Add Additional Children and Medical Release form, and information is ready for child number 2. You can even do it again for child number 3, and you can do it again for child number 4. If you have more than 4 children that you need to register for, you will have to have this do this form twice. The company could only build in up to 4 children, but we thought that would help most families, and then those with more children to register could use 2 of these windows in order to complete the process. Please make sure you give us any information that we need about medical issues, allergies, dietary, any special needs that we need to know of. That goes here, and you can do them all in one place. You'll finish out the payer information and the credit card information here, and then you can click proceed to confirmation, which is here, and then that will finish out the process for you. We're looking forward to this summer being a wonderful summer, and that the registration process will be smoother this year for you. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions. SummerQuest@mvnu.edu is our email address, and our phone number is extension 3455 when you call the university, and that will get to us and we can answer any questions you have. We look forward to April 17th, 2017 at 10 a.m. for registration to open.